little slippery. But come on the back straight. You just gotta weigh your highest up. So in 3, I'm gonna brake hard. We gotta lose that speed. Then we come into turn 5, and this wheel feel it float a little bit. Just this tire's starting to wake up. This is turn 6. Call patience. Big long sweeper. Still doing good?
Yeah.
Something different, huh?
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's these tight turns.
Yes. Well, there's the big turn. So we're doing 90 now. That's the difference, is that corner speed. They repaved this since last time I was here. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this curbing's new, so let's see what that feels like. Finally got a relief. You can actually take the drop. That's a mess. Work for it. Tires just talking. Squeaky tire is a happy tire.
Okay.
Just lets you know, basically, it's just starting to lean on its edge, and so it's just starting to find where it's starting to step off. But it's kind of an audible response that you're getting close, so you know kind of where to walk it to without letting it step away from you. All right, well, exit. Made it.
We got to drive on the Indianapolis 500 track one
Nice.
time.
Very nice.
But you were kind of behind you couldn't
Yeah.
go overly fast. But to feel those curves, that was really neat.
Yeah, like big oval banking
It's
is
different.
that's its own
than
world.
this. Yeah, we started to watch a little of, was it a Netflix documentary about the Formula
Formula
1?
yeah.
Oh, that was really neat.
Yeah, they did a really good job with that. Of just, one, you know, they have so much access that they're getting such good content. But also they did a good job of showing kind of why it's such a crazy sport, you know. The amount of money spent
Oh, yeah.
to then, you know, still lose.
And then you watch them in their racing, and some of those tight curves, how do you get in first place? Nobody can